Right, so the third type of comparative scaling technique is constant sum scaling. Now, what happens in this? Respondents allocate a constant sum of units, that is 100 points, to attributes of a product to reflect their importance. If an attribute is unimportant, the respondent assigns it as 0 point. If an attribute is twice as important as some other attribute, it receives twice as many points. Okay. So again here what happens is a comparison of two products happens. Okay, so how exactly it is different from the rank order scaling, we will try to see. Now what happens in this, see here what is being done is that three different products are considered, three different products are being considered. Okay, that is segment 1, this should have been segment 1, segment 2 and segment 3. Okay, so segment 1, this is segment 1 means it is product 1, this is product 2 and this is product 3. Now product 1 has got only 2 points over mildness of the product. Who has given this point? Yes, so it should have been 8, sorry. So the first product, if you have to see, it has received 8, so this is 8. If you see it closely, you will get to know. And the same product B, now product B, what has happened is on the mildness this has got only 2 points, and product 3 has got 4 points over mildness. Okay, now if you have to see product B, all these is classified or rated on all these characteristics, that is how mild this particular product is, or how mild this particular soap is, and how much lather this particular product gives, and how much it shrinks the product, and what is the price of the product, or how much do you rate for the price of the product, and fragrance, packaging, moisturizing, cleaning power. So on these factors it is being the respondent has given the points. And if you have to see 53, that is for possibly it should be price, because there is a slight mismatch. Okay, so for price the highest point is given when compared to the other two. If you have to see, only 17 and 9 is given for these two, but for the first product it has received 53 points for price. Okay, so what happens is the first product is rated out of 100, and out of 100 the maximum points it has received is for price. Okay, thank you.